Ako hindi ko gawin ko. I'll do it on an annual level. I want to know from an annual level how much am I earning from this specific period. Kasi minsan 3 months straight maganda eh. Then the next 4 months pangit. So look at it from an annual level. Gagawin ko, I want to earn 600,000 in a year.
What will he do with 10 million?
I would need to know, aside from how much money he has, ano pa ibang niyang investments? Kasi
Wala pa.
wala pa. May ipon na siyang iba.
Pero meron na siya, nag-start na siya mag-call.
Pero may iba na siyang savings.
May konting emergency fund.
Tapos how much
on top of it,
pero how much will that comes in every month sa kanya?
I do not know.
Yun, we need to know that eh, kasi it will be easier to get a brighter parang computation depending on what comes in. Tapos wala natin na anong utang niya, etc. So it's not just parang a straightforward na dito mo lagay. Kasi yung sa seminar, we answer parang how to make your investments do well eh. Pero if you do it na on a personal level, madami na factors yun. Utang, cash flow, gano'n ka-diversified, tapos kailan niya kailangan yung pera, and then how does he make it wanted to grow. Parang okay, Lotus, let's do this!
Oh no!
Ito na, Lotus, top fan, questions!
Ala!
Oh, game! Kaya ako nagkaka-video kasi pinipilit ko yung mga Okay, what's your question?
Wala na, natanong ko every
Sir, ako may
Facebook
question.
video.
Oh, sige, may matatanong ka na rin while
May
we're
question.
here.
Sige, baka may follow-up ako sa question niya.
Oh.
Sir, magkano yung pwedeng amount that you can invest in sa stock trading? Say, for example, you're buying one stock.
Okay. The best answer to that is money that you're willing to lose talaga.
Right.
So, for
So,
example,
what if I can lose 1 million? Can
okay
I?
lang. Oo. Pero
Is that safe sa mga brokers?
naman.
Small financial, 1 million
That's
pa.
fine. It's fine. So you're asking lang if it's safe to put 1 million?
Yeah.
Oh, more than that. So you have to segment it. May investing account ka rin.
Right.
Or wala.
Wala.
Yun. So yeah, if you want to split it pa, meron kang for trading and investing, you can split that further. You can do 2 brokers also.
Right.
Pero 1 million, okay lang yan. One broker is fine for that. But
And
if
then,
you split it also based on your trading plan. Pero no, not a problem with that.
even with the selling portion.
It becomes harder though, anything above 5, 10, not 10 million, it becomes harder to get out of some stock amount.
Right.
If in one go mo siya between yun ang difference.
Especially pag maliit yung volume.
Oh, maliit yung site na nabibili para sa inyo. That's why a lot of foreign funds don't buy small stocks, not because ayaw nila yung small stocks, but because baka mabili na nila yung buong company or hindi na magiging liquid yung stock kasi hawak na nila.
You mean not blue chip stock?
When
When you say small.
I say small, no market cap. Tsaka not just market cap, flow, meaning the amount of shares na nasa dito.
Para mo ma-make sure na consistent ka from beginning to end.
Meaning?
Parang kumikita ka na
Okay.
you're earning.
There will be times talaga that the trades will be not as good. That's why when it's a good trade, you have to maximize it. When it's a bad trade, you really have to cut. Kasi meron yan, mga 3 straight trades pwedeng mali. Pero as long as you cut well, okay lang. If it's a good trade, just keep on holding on to it for a very, very long time. Kasi hindi naman talaga lahat magiging good trades eh. So, you just have to maximize and double down every time it's a good trade. Then when it's a wrong trade, you just have to get out and then make sure na maliit na talaga yung loss mo doon. Ganun lang. And then just do it over and over and over and over and over. Tapos, when you start earning, as long as you accept yung trade na yun is acceptable for you na okay yung earnings ko nito, okay yung naka-allot dito, you just keep on adding to it. The only time you start siphoning off some of it is pag dumating sa point na hindi ko na yata kaya matolerate yung ganito kalaking amount. That's when you start moving some.
So, okay lang ba yan, Sir Marvin, na kunyari may target ako na every month na kikita ko, kunyari, ng 50,000?
Okay. Ako hindi ko gawin ko. I'll do it on an annual level. I want to know from an annual level how much am I earning from this specific period. Kasi minsan 3 months straight maganda eh. Then the next 4 months pangit. So look at it from an annual level. Gagawin ko, I want to earn 600,000 in a year.
Okay.
Yun.
So, bahala na kung yung first month, second month, mababa, basta makaka-recover
Basta
ka
makuha
pa
mo
rin.
yung buong year.
Ah, okay.
And if you can get that sana not just from trading gains, pero yung dividends mo will give you that amount even better.
So, yung kunyari 600, usually, is that a target for your 7 accounts or you have targets
No,
for your
for dividends. I don't use my capital gains for my day-to-day. I use my dividends for my day-to-day. The capital gains just make my portfolio bigger. The dividends, that's what I touch. That's what I use for
okay.
day-to-day. Kasi sayang, kasi every time you touch the capital, it makes your capital smaller.
Oh.
Ako, I don't want to make my capital smaller. I want it to be bigger kasi later on, as it gets bigger, syempre, the risk that you're taking will be smaller na. Tapos, kumikita ka pa rin na mas malaki. That's
Okay,
it.
yun lang.
Top fan! Top fan.